Hi peeps, what's up? I'm excited for this one because we're bringing it all in a little different, and I am going to be bringing to you all these hairstyles that you can do straight or you can do curly. So I'm gonna show you the version of it straight and I'm gonna show you the version of it curly. You are going to like it so stinking much, at least I hope so. If you are new here, Jocelyn McClellan with Fit Mission Makeup, and let's get rolling this sucker out. We are going to start this one super easy. Now you can choose either you do it, you pin back this side, which I've done with, I actually have another tutorial on here that I'll give you this little card thingamager up there. I have another one of those of 7 different ways that I pulled my hair up. And one of them is just this easy pull it this way, but we're gonna take this barrette right here, this little cutie, can you see that? Easy peasy. I think I got this at Target or something like that. And I'm just going to take this. Now you can do this a couple different ways. You can bring this back in a twist, but I want to just go in and come ever so softly. These are thicker. You can't do a teeny tiny piece in these. There's room to make them. Now I'm gonna show you this in the curly haired version as well. That one you'll pull a little less hair because as it's straight, it needs more to go inside the barrette, but I'll show you the curly one as well. They're so easy, so cute. These barrettes were in style when I was just a wee little lass, but see how easy that one is? It's so cute. It changes up the look. You can just go from having straight hair to just a little something extra. And then with it curly, the exact same thing, but just having that curl, it just creates it to be so much more fun. So this next one, I just want to give you a little bit of help. Go to Sally's and buy these hair ties. These are a billion times cheaper. Yes, I said a billion. Way cheaper than going to another store like Target or anything like that, because we checked out prices at both. These are way less expensive. So this next one, I'm gonna be pulling my hair up, and I have really short hair. So this one you have to, I think the curl one, we might like a little bit more on this one. But if you're wanting to just play with your hair, have a little fun, I'm gonna give it a little bit of, I put in like a texture spray and added texture to my hair. And I'm gonna come in and wrap my hair just a bit ahead of time so that we are getting just that texture, especially where it's short hair. We want it to feel a little thicker than so it's not so slick. The more your hair is slick, like this is actually stuff that's good for not fresh washed hair, but the more your hair is slick, there's no texture in it, there's no product in it, the harder any of this gets for you. So make sure that you are putting a texture spray in, hairspray in, dirty hair, whatever. I put in some products before I blow dry my hair, and that helps me a ton. I'll put in below what it is that I use before I blow dry my hair, so make sure you're checking out the whole post stuff so that you know. If you guys have not subscribed to this page, dude, you totally should. I think you'd like it. I hope you'd like it. So check it out. All right, so on this one, I'm just trying to make sure I come up evenly on both sides here. So you can make this more classy or you can make it more youthful and fun. So you can keep that part in it and pull your hair up. I'm gonna put this comb down. I have the tie on my hands, and just make sure that you kind of part it off in the back. Now again, I'm going in on this blind, so please don't judge me if my lines don't match up. If I had a second mirror, or a mirror with me, I'm doing this in my bathroom where I can check out my parts in the back, I totally would. So just know it might not be set exactly, but if I was doing this for realsies, it would be parted. These parts would be perfect. In the back, it would be cut across perfect so that it just doesn't look wonky. So on this one, I'm just gonna do 2 wraps because my hair's feeling like it's got some pretty decent texture, but then I'm gonna pull up to try and push it away from there and give it a little bit more volume, a little bit more body, and then she goes a little crazy, and I like it. Okay, you can finish it off like this. We can take some bobby pins and we can pin this part up so it kind of stays more so like that. Or I got something even better. Take your little scrunchie. This one's so cute, it has pearls on it. This one was just, I believe I got this one at Target, either Sally's or Target. And then you're just gonna pull not all of it through, so some of it is still tucked inside of there. And then you have this really cute scrunchie. I need to pin up that side. I didn't get my sides. All right, then you just put that bobby pin, slide it into it so it's not, you know, showing, because I want these sides tighter. And then I could go in and then rat, I'm like blasting you with my comb, rat these sides so that they have a little bit more body, or add a texture spray or a little bit of hairspray to kind of wake these sides up. And then you have a cute, fun hairstyle. With curly hair, I think you are really gonna like this one. So with the curly hair, it's gonna make these pieces come out be a lot more fun than they were with the straight hair. It's gonna be easier to pull everything back. And you could actually, one other option that you could do is even have it up higher on your head. And with it higher on your head, you can pull some front pieces down. You can do whatever you want with this one with the curly hair and just make it look just more fun and like it all comes together. And here it is with curly hair. This next one I kind of feel like I'm cheating with because it is so easy, but I think that we have forgotten how easy just a basic headband is. Now these babies right here, these are a little different than the good old days. These used to be really hard plastic, the same that is here. But on this headband, it's more of this soft plastic that you can grip. I don't know if you can see that, you probably can't in the camera, but this is a movable, skippable, so it grips your hair really, really well. So with the headband, you can do a couple different things. And one thing that I love to do is you can leave your fronts out, you can put them back. See that? So fun. But this gives it more of that sleek look. And then one more thing you can do is you can just take two and then put the second one in there and add and make it look just a little bit more fun. See, super cute, super easy. And I don't feel like these ones are gonna give you a headache. They're just really easy and light. So with straight hair, classy, cute, you're gonna love this. And with curly hair, it just adds it so much more fun. I think with the curly hair one though, just know that you have options. You can leave out some front pieces or you can make it slick too and have these pieces come out. I think it's one of those things where you have to mess around with it and see how it's gonna go for your curly hair and how it happens to be curly that day for which one you're gonna go with. But just know the sky's the limit with leaving pieces out or with pulling out your front bangs. The sky's the limit with what you can do with the curly hair and setting up a fun look with your headband. This next one, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, somewhere around 6. And I'm gonna try and get these as close to my hair as I can. This is just your regular bobby pin. And I'm going to part this off. So I have my hair parted over to the side. I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna do these twists, and I want you to pay attention to the direction it goes. So I'm not going straight back, but I'm taking this and I'm bringing these twists over to this side, and then I'm gonna have these twists come down. So I'm just gonna whip on through that. And then with curly hair, this is gonna be so fun. Now, I want to show you guys too as well, or let you know that when you have oily hair, this hairstyle actually really is awesome. This is one that you can do with oily hair. You're on day 3, day 4, or however long that you can go, because it really helps it just hold in those twists. So the sky's the limit on this baby. All right, so I part this baby off right here. So if I want to take that one, an extra one, I can, or make it a small one. But I'm going to pull right here. I'm gonna hold onto what I want to twist, And then I'm gonna twist the front, holding on to the front, but holding on to those back hairs as well. And then that twist just makes it easy to do. Now, before I pin it, you want to make sure that you're pinning it in a place that where a headband will go, because you can do a couple different things with this look. It's super fun, super versatile. So you want to make sure that you're gonna pin it where your headband would lie. So whether you put on a headband first or pay attention to where that is, but you wanna pin it where a headband would lie. So I'm gonna pin this about right here. And I'm just gonna take that bobby pin up into the hair. I'm gonna take my other section, I'm gonna hold onto it, and I'm gonna start pinning or doing the back, and then just work my way. Continue to work my way back. Pin that baby, and we'll keep going. Okay, and then on this side, I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but these ones are gonna be angled down. Okay, that's it. Now, you could wear it just like this baby, or you can go in and put something else in it. So I'm gonna show you an extra added way that we can change up this hairstyle, but this is easy one if you're just wanting to wear your sweats for the day or leggings and a sweatshirt, but hold tight, check this out. So we're gonna take this look and we're just gonna add on to it just a little bit more to make it a little more fun. But you can take just a headband and place it right where you want it there. Or we're gonna take this baby, we're gonna put it, this has like a wire in it. I got this on Amazon. You twist again, and you call it a day. Yeah, baby. All right, just make sure you do this one up where the bobby pins go, and it kind of covers those bobby pins up, and then you're good to go. Now I might have a bobby pin or something out of line. You wanna make sure that you hide those things, but since I can't really see what it is I'm doing here, I just don't know. You can poof up the back, and then you're good to go. It is so cute and fun. All right, now with having this one curly, look how fun this is. So it just adds a little bit more sass, a little more frass to this, but you can still do the exact same thing. It's gonna help you be able to grip each individual piece. Still going in, putting them in. At the top, you wanna get the angle of where the part is. Same exact thing, but here's the curly version. All right, cuties, so the final one that I have for you, you're gonna love this one, but you're going to do a Dutch braid. You wanna get you a clip that's like this. This clip, you want ones like this just because we're not gonna use an elastic, we're just gonna use this to finish off this braid. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just going to we're gonna Dutch braid this. All the difference between Dutch braid is you take the same thing as a French braid, but you're going to put it underneath instead of over top. And let me tell you this, I'm not the best at braiding on my own hair too. I can whip them out on everybody else, but it is harder for me to do it on myself too. So I'm gonna get this front part. I don't have a ton of hair right here, but we are going to put this into 3 pieces. So you naturally want to go over, 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 but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go under. So grab your 3 pieces and train your brain to go under, because you're probably used to going over. So I go under, 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 and because I have so little hair there, I do all those without grabbing under. Then everything that comes into the middle, then I put a new piece right into that middle after I already do it. So just on the outer edges. And you want to continue to go in the direction you're going, because it's easy to want to just naturally pull it down. We need to go back. So make sure that you're pulling it back and not just down. Okay, so under, grab a new piece, make sure you keep them clean. Under, grab a new piece to that under piece. I hope that you guys can grasp what I'm doing here. I'm gonna do one more little piece, and then the rest, I'm just gonna braid out all the way down. Okay, then from here, you're gonna loosen up some pieces. So this is why I like to do this before putting any elastic in it, anything. You're just gonna pull these pieces and loosen them up. All right, now we have that braid, we have it loosened up, and then you're gonna pay attention to where you want it. So right now, I feel like this is a little bit too long for where I want to keep it. So I pay attention to where I want the barrette to go. So do I want it to set here? Do I want it to set back here? So you really wanna pay attention to where you want the barrette to go. So I want my barrette to set about right here, right behind my ear. I like this end piece to kind of, you can see it when it's on. So I'm just gonna go and clip in that part, hold onto it before you let go, making sure that that is exactly where you want it, because this does go a little bit longer than that. And then I'm gonna let go of that little baby. And now I have that cute little goodness. I'm gonna give this side just a little bit of volume, a little bit of tease, wake it up just a bit, and then hairspray this puppy up. This one's so fun, I love this one. I do this one every day if I could, and you guys wouldn't get sick of it. I love it. And there you go. There's a fun, cute braid for you. This one's also fun to do on other people. And then for curly hair, still exact same thing, except for I feel like this one adds a little extra sass to it. I think it is so stinking fun to do this look with curly hair, and you can make the curls as formal as you want or as funky as you want and still have the look. I'm using a flat iron with my look today on my short hair, so my curls aren't gonna be so uniform. They're gonna be a little more funky, so you get to choose how you want for this one, and I absolutely love it. All right, you guys, there you go. Here is the straight and the curly version of 5 different hairstyles, all rolled into one tutorial. Make sure that if you have not followed me yet on Jocelyn.McClellan on Instagram, that you can go and do that too, or Facebook at Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan. But I hope that you guys like this tutorial. It's such a good tutorial for easy hairstyles. I think that every age group can benefit from this tutorial. If you have any questions, always comment below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. But we'll see you next time, you guys. Take care. Bye.